Sir, my name is Yusuf Khan. Yusuf Khan, I am from Chinese media, CCTV. Sir, there was a news on foreign media and also on social media that Pakistani Air Force entered the Indian airspace. I just want to know this, sir.
Okay, let me answer you before the AVMs gives you the specific. Please, if we have to stay away from what's all coming on media and social media. If we go as per the conduct of this military conflict by the media and social media, then there were 15 attacks that Pakistan made. Karachi is already burned. Quetta is gone. And God knows what all has happened. There's a female pilot also in our captivity. I don't know. So let's try to stick to the facts and let's not try to stay what the media or social media is saying.
Salman from Bold News. My question is for AVM. Chota sa quick question hai. What was the difference between PF and IF engagement? Is what only JTNC or something else?
I think I did mention JTNC is a potent platform. So is JF-17, F-16, and Rafale also. It's how you employ them. It's a training. I think it is a training. It is the mindset. It is the mindset of our pilots, the aggressive mindset that we take. Pakistan Air Force, Alhamdulillah, is giving training to foreign countries. They are coming and asking in numbers. They want to come and have training with us. We have been invited on international exercises. The kind of level of training we have is remarkable. So I can say with great conviction that the difference was in the mindset, in the leadership, in the whole architecture. Platforms do come in play. They are there. I mean, you cannot just rule out them that they don't mean nothing, but they are one part. But the main driving force is the culture of the organization, the leadership, the mindset it has. Iqbal said, "Kafir hai to karta hai shamsheer pe bharosa, momin hai to beteq bhi ladta hai sipahi."
जन साहब, वैसे तो पहलगाम के फौरन बाद जो डिसइंफॉर्मेशन ऑपरेशन लॉन्च किया गया था इंडिया की तरफ से इस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट के ऊपर, वो उससे सारी दुनिया आगाह हो चुकी है। मगर एक इंतहाई गैर जिम्मेदाराना खबर जो वहाँ पे फैलाई गई और फैलाई जा रही है वो यह है कि हमारी न्यूक्लियर फैसिलिटी को करेना के करीब जो है उन्होंने हिट किया है। आल्दो हमें तो मालूम है कि ये फॉल्स है, मगर इंटरनेशनल कंजम्पशन के लिए मैं चाहूँगा कि आप अपना इसके ऊपर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू दे दें।
जी, फॉल्स है।
डी साहब, थैंक यू। गजनफर साहब, आपका तो बहुत शुक्रिया कि मुझे सवाल करने का मौका मिला, और मैं ये भी रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि बार बार जिस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में भी हो मुझे सवाल करने का मौका मिले। और अला नूर वजीर हूँ मशरिक पेशावर ग्रुप से। मेरा सवाल यह है कि भारत और पाकिस्तान दोनों एक दूसरे पर दहशतगर्दी के इल्ज़ामात लगा रहे हैं, तहफ़्फ़ुज़ात। तो ये इल्ज़ामात या तहफ़्फ़ुज़ात कैसे दूर किए जा सकते हैं? मिल बैठ कर किरदार अदा करना चाहिए दोनों ममालिक को। और दूसरा सवाल मेरा यह है कि अगेन अगर मतलब इस तरह ड्रोन आते हैं तो गिराने के लिए क्या अमल है? और साथ साथ जो मतलब भारत की जानिब से आपने बात की लोगों की कि हमने लोगों को टारगेट नहीं किया, तो आपका लोगों के लिए मैसेज क्या है और फिर भारतीय आर्मी के लिए आपका पैगाम क्या है?
देखें, वो जो ड्रोन है वो 84 से आपका दिल नहीं भरा जो हमने गिरा दिए हैं। जितने आए थे गिरा दिए, ठीक है, आएंगे और गिरा देंगे। तो आप प्लीज देयर इज नो इशू, रिमेन टोटली कंफर्टेबल। whatever they will send, whatever they can send, with the support of the people of this country, these your armed forces have the capability to take them on. Absolutely no issue. जो आपने पहली बात क्या की थी? You see, we have to first this issue of the scourge of terrorism. Who is facing it? It's Pakistan. Who is sponsoring it? Who is abetting it? It's India. So that's the reality. Do you think that they are conducting, they are prosecuting terrorism in Pakistan through multiple proxies? how to deal with it. The deal to how to deal with it is to gel the nation to stand together as we have stood like a steel wall against this threat from India. This steel wall will smash this terrorism also. Whatever they may do, whatever proxies they may put. And the state of Pakistan, with the support of its people, is doing it. It requires the whole of the nation approach. I will not go into the details. I have multiple times said that we have these 14 points of the National Action Plan. We have to implement that wholly. So this terrorism is not going to go away by talking with India. We don't look outside. We don't beg anyone that don't do this. Our strategy is not hope. We are a proud nation and we will finish off this terrorism. There should be no doubt in it.